Honey-Roasted Almonds recipe. Ingredients you'll need. Here's what you'll need to get started. 2 cups whole almonds, a quarter cup white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, 3 tablespoons honey, 3 tablespoons water, 1 tablespoon almond oil. Recipe tip: don't have almond oil? No problem. Vegetable oil works just as well as a substitute. Step-by-step directions. Step 1. Prepare your ingredients. Before you begin, gather all the ingredients. This step ensures you don't miss anything and keeps the process smooth and enjoyable. Trust us, a little preparation goes a long way. Step 2. Lay the almonds out. Spread the almonds in a single layer on a baking sheet. For best results, make sure the almonds don't overlap. This helps them roast evenly. Step 3. The secret to perfect roasting. Here's a pro tip. Start with a cold oven. Place the baking sheet in the oven. Then set it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. As the oven heats up, the almonds roast gradually, bringing out their natural flavors. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. You'll know they're ready when they turn a light tan and release a fragrant, nutty aroma. Remember, the almonds will continue to cook even after you remove them from the oven, so don't overdo it. Step 4. The sweet and salty mixture. While the almonds roast, combine the sugar and kosher salt in a small bowl. Mix well and set aside. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of this mixture into a large bowl. This will serve as the base for coating the almonds later. Step 5. The honey glaze. In a small saucepan, mix the honey, water, and almond oil. Bring this mixture to a boil over medium heat. Once it's bubbling, add the roasted almonds to the saucepan. Stir continuously for about 5 minutes, ensuring each almond is well coated and has absorbed the delicious honey glaze. Step 6. Sugar coating perfection. Quickly transfer the sticky almonds to the large bowl containing the sugar mixture. Sprinkle the remaining sugar mixture over the almonds. Toss well to coat them evenly. The sugar and salt will stick beautifully to the honey glaze, creating the ultimate sweet and salty treat. Step 7. Cool and store. Spread the coated almonds onto wax paper in a single layer. Let them cool completely. This step is crucial, as the almonds will harden into their signature crunchy texture. Once cooled, store the honey-roasted almonds in a tightly covered container or resealable plastic bag at room temperature. They'll stay fresh and delicious for weeks. If they last that long, pro tips for success. Keep an eye on the oven. Almonds can go from perfectly roasted to burnt in seconds. Stirring them occasionally helps prevent uneven roasting. Customize the flavor. Add a pinch of cinnamon or a dash of cayenne pepper to the sugar mixture for a spicy twist. Perfect for gifting. Package these almonds in decorative jars or bags for a thoughtful homemade gift. The endless possibilities of honey-roasted almonds. These honey-roasted almonds aren't just a snack. They're incredibly versatile. Add to salads. Sprinkle them over a fresh green salad for a sweet and crunchy topping. Pair with cheese. Serve them alongside your favorite cheeses for an elegant appetizer. In desserts, chop them up and use them as a topping for ice cream, yogurt, or baked goods. Snack on the go. Pack them in small portions for a quick, energy-boosting snack.